Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a brand new project share and I cannot wait to show you. Welcome back friends, thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share, and if you're new, it's just awesome to be here with you. This time I created my Grateful mini album style using this wonderful Country Fair by Mintay papers. They have a beautiful watercolor illustration fussy cutting page, and they have some cut aparts as well. Right here on the front cover I was practicing some lettering with the Crayola marker, and I fussy cut around one of the signature pages here and I put a couple little fun things. And you can put whatever you want in the front here. I just decided to do something just a bit different. I have a wonderful ribbon closure here and I kind of balanced out the ribbon on the left and right. And I have some fun twine going through there. So my partner made the base of this book and I just got to decorate, so it helped me just go a bit faster. And it was just so much fun. I'll leave the complete class link down in the description, and if you've never sat in class with me before, I have a free one on my website and I'll leave the link right up here. You could totally watch ad-free. Right here on the front and side cover I do have this cute little pouch with the acetate flaps and a twist tie closure and a wonderful on-page pocket. We've got uncropped 4x6s and a nice big 5x7 right here. Again, practice some more hand lettering and fussy cut around my own little sentiments. And I love that Echo Park camera stamp right there. My favorite supplies are also listed down below. We've got some tags, and you can even top these however you want. I did some organic angles right here. And this was just so much fun. Again, I added some chalk marker lines. You know how I can't help myself. Oh my goodness. It's just so much fun. And if you've never made one of these before, this one is definitely one you can do. I've got the We Are Memory Keepers little scallop corner punch right here. Love that design. And this opens right up, and we've got a little bit more of an expansion here on these flaps. And you could stuff anything you want in here. These are right attached to the base, and I just have a couple little cut aparts right there. And this ties up nice and good. I've got a wonderful frame right here, and you can attach your picture and slide it back inside there, or you can even just stuff the picture in itself. And this kind of just swings over and this opens up. I've got veggies over here by the fruit, and then I got fruit over here by the veggies. Did you think that was funny? Grow a garden. I love it. Picture space inside there. You could even just slide this back. And honestly, this was Shane's idea because this whole unit just comes off. Okay, I love the way this one turned out. I mean, it blows my mind. And I've added cute little banners right there and organic. I just thought it was so much fun to practice. And you even have picture space on the back if you want. So this unit completely comes off. And I'm going to open this up and reveal this again. I did a cute little design on this tag where you can kind of just stuff a cute little picture or little sentiments in there. Whatever you want to put. And same thing with this one. I just kind of fussy cut around the image and kind of let it go beyond the tag. Just for a cute little style. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun to customize this one. Then there's actually a gigantic insert in here again, 5x7, and different sizes in there. Give the page a turn, and this is just so great because we've got this acetate pocket again and a cute little tag spot. I just put a little tab on this one, and I changed the size a bit and just made it fit my needs. Totally customizable. Anytime you make any of these books, you can change it in any way that fits your needs. We got some little carrots right there in that little box, and another insert back here with a cool little angle. This particular paper didn't have as much contrast as I would like, so it made it a little bit difficult to work with, but you know what? I pulled through. Look how wonderful. This is something you can do. I love this. I just cut that out again using that same style and added a cute little breaking up pattern banner right there with some black and white. Makes it nice and bold and it stands out. This usually falls all the way through. Wildflowers. But because I did some fussy cutting around here, it's totally cool. And right here on the back inside cover we do have another little assembly there. A little bit of layering and a wonderful waterfall. Same here on this side. And a cute little image on the very back. You can even stick the pictures on the front or the inside of these waterfall flaps if you wanted. Maximize your picture space right there. That cute image back there. These just magnetize closed. And we have another picture spot here. Front and back. Beautiful little frame right there. And this flaps down. And again. and it also goes this way. So essentially, we've got this nice accordion piece right here. Oh my goodness, again, if you haven't sat in class with me yet, I do have a free tutorial on my website, ad-free. You can watch it right now, and I cannot wait to see you there. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.